10 essentials you must pack when moving abroad for Nigeria. Are you moving abroad for Nigeria for the first time? Exciting, right? But packing can be stressful. What do you really need? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 10 must-have items that'll save you money, stress, and unnecessary headaches. Let's go. 1. Passport, visa, and copies. First things first, your passport and visa are your golden tickets. Forget these, and you're not going anywhere. Listen, make copies of these documents, both digital and physical. You'll need them for bank accounts, rentals, and more. 2. Nigerian SIM card and unlocked phone. Keep your Nigerian number active for family and emergencies, but bring an unlocked phone. This way, you can easily switch to a local SIM when you arrive. Better yet, use a dual SIM phone for convenience. 3. Cash, small bills, and international debit card. Always carry some local currency in small bills for immediate expenses. Not just that, also bring an international debit/credit card. Trust me, you don't want to be stranded without money on your first few days. 4. Medical records and prescription meds. Nigerian prescriptions might not work abroad, so bring detailed medical records and enough meds to last until you see a local doctor. You know, health comes first. 5. Power adapter and voltage converter. Different countries equals different plugs and voltages. A universal adapter and converter will save your gadgets from frying. Don't learn this the hard way. 6. Weather-appropriate clothes. Check the climate of your new home. If it's cold, invest in quality jackets. You might not find the same back home. Pack smart. 7. Basic cooking essentials. A little suya spice or your favorite seasonings can cure homesickness fast. Just avoid bulky food. Customs won't be happy. 8. Emergency contacts and embassy info. Save and print emergency contacts, including family, friends, and embassy details. Don't rely on shaky internet when you need help urgently. 9. Nigerian food staples. If you love egusi, dried fish, or gari, these might be expensive or hard to find abroad. Pack small amounts to save money and cravings. 10. A piece of home. Bring something sentimental. A photo, jewelry, or even a Nigerian flag keychain. When homesickness hits, this little reminder will keep you strong. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you brought abroad that made life easier? Drop your tips in the comments. You might help someone avoid a big mistake. Remember, we're in this together. I'm Benedict, rooting for you every step of the way. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.